everyone, this is Debasree and today I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful, radiant, dewy makeup look that you can wear every day using all of my favorite Lakme products. The first step to achieve that radiant, dewy look is to prep your skin really well. So skincare is very important and I am going to apply the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Gel all over my face. And then I'm going to take the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil in Serum and apply that onto the high points of my face. And you can also apply a few drops on your lips to prep them and make sure they're moisturized. After prepping my skin, I'm going to use the Lakme 95 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade Warm Beige all over my face, and I'm also going to use two other shades to conceal and to contour. First, I'm taking a Warm Beige all over my face. I love that the foundation comes with a spatula, so it's very easy to apply, and then I'm just going to blend it all in. Next, I'm going to use Warm Sand, which is a slightly lighter shade than my skin tone, and use that underneath my eyes and onto the center of my face to conceal. And after that, I'm going to use the shade Neutral Almond, which is slightly darker than my skin tone, and use that to contour. I'm applying it underneath my cheekbones, and I'm also using it to contour my nose. Next, I am going to set my under eye just a little bit using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Powder Foundation in the shade Rose Silk. Because I want this look to be very dewy, I am just setting the under eye and my eyelids and not taking the powder all over my face. Now let's add some color back into the cheeks, and for that I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color, and this is in the shade Rose Touch. Just apply a little bit onto your cheeks and blend it away. The mousse formula is really easy to blend and it looks like you have a natural flush. Next, let's make the skin look it's dewy from within, and for that I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Oil in Gel again, just taking a little bit of the gel and warming it up on the back of my hand, and then I am going to pat it all over the high points of my face. So that's on top of the cheekbones, a little bit onto the eyelids, and also on the bridge of my nose and on the cupid's bow. Now this is going to catch the light and it's going to make your skin look very radiant, and I'm going to amplify the dewiness by using the highlighter from the Lakme Absolute Moonlit highlighter palette. I'm going to apply the highlighter using a brush on top of wherever I have applied the gel, and this way the gel is going to hold the highlighter and it's going to catch all of the light and it's going to look very dewy without the powder-like finish. Moving on to the eyes, first step is to go ahead and curl your lashes. After I've curled my lashes, I'm going to apply 2 coats of the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara, and whatever's left in the mascara wand, I like to use that to brush my eyebrows up. And lastly, to finish up this dewy look, I am going to apply the Lakme Absolute 3D Matte Lip Color in the shade British Brown. I love this color. It is such a beautiful warm brown that you can wear every day. And this is the finished look. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon.